Put all our toys away, books on shelves and clothes in drawers. Everything goes where it's stored. Shoes go neatly on the rack, dirty clothes into the sack. Fluff your pillows, smooth the sheet. Now your room is clean and sweet. Clean up corners, sweep the rug. Find that missing puzzle plug. Line up trucks and stack the blocks. Zip the bags and close the box. Stack the blocks and park the cars. Wipe the table, clean the jars. Dust the shelves and sweep the floor. Now it's tidy, what a score! Tidy up, hooray, we're done. Helping out is so much fun. Happy home and happy play when we tidy every day. Now the room is calm and neat. Time to rest our little feet. The toys all say, we'll have more fun another day.
Shh.
Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to support Bright Bean learners.